Hello. Today, let's talk about comparatives. How we compare two things. We'll look at using one-syllable adjectives. We'll look at using more than one-syllable adjectives. We'll look at using adjectives ending in Y and using as plus an adjective as. First, let's look at one-syllable adjectives. For one-syllable adjectives, we use be, which is am, is, are, plus the adjective, plus er, plus than. We can see the man is tall, the woman is short. The man is taller than the woman. The woman is shorter than the man. We use is, tall, plus er, than. Here we have big and small. Both of these are one-syllable adjectives. The black hand is bigger than the white hand. We have is, bigger, than. The white hand is smaller than the black hand. Is plus small plus than. Old and young. These are one-syllable adjectives. The man is older than the boy. The boy is younger than the man. Some adjectives have more than one syllable. If an adjective has more than one syllable, we use be plus more plus adjective plus than. Expensive. Expensive has three syllables. My car is more expensive than your car. Is plus more plus expensive than. Dangerous. Dangerous has three syllables. My job is more dangerous than your job. Is more dangerous than. Intelligent. My friend is more intelligent than me. Adjectives that end in Y have two forms. We can use be plus adjective, change the Y to I, add er, than. Or we can use be, more, plus the adjective, than. Funny. Funny ends in Y. My friend is funnier than me. Or my friend is more funny than me. Happy. The man on the left, the man on the right. The man on the left is happier than the man on the right. The man on the left is more happy than the man on the right. Easy. His life is easier than my life. His life is more easy than my life. When the adjective ends in Y, we can use two forms. Sometimes we use as, adjective as, to show things are the same or equal. It's be as plus the adjective as. The man is as tall as the woman. Is as tall as. 417 is as fast as 19. My car is as old as this car. My car is as old as this car. Today, we've talked about comparatives. We use be plus an adjective plus er plus than when it's one syllable. If it's more than one syllable, it's be more adjective than. If the adjective ends in y, we have two forms. We can use be plus adjective plus ier than, or be more adjective than. If we want to show two things are equal or the same, we use as plus adjective plus as. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.